The Dampier beacon VK6 RSX is on 50.304, and you can see there's actually a birdie in the receiver, the 7300, and it just so happens it's pretty much right on the beacon frequency, but luckily the beacon is slightly higher by a few hundred cycles. So you can actually, by using the notch filter, notch it out. You can also adjust the notch on the 7300 to be wide, as it is at the moment, mid, or narrow. So to minimise the amount of noise and just concentrate on the beacon, which if it was there would be coming up about here, around about here. So you can go back to the notch filter, because we're on narrow at the moment, and say select medium. That gets rid of more of the noise, or you can go to wide. What you can also do, on wide, and you can position the notch of the filter like so. You can move it across. So what I usually do is I completely remove all the noise below where the beacon is, so that's all gone. And of course you've got the filter bandwidth in the 7300, so you can narrow it down even further. Filter 2, and that's pretty sharp. Filter 3, even sharper. And you can shift, of course, the bandwidth like so to optimise right where the beacon is, which is about there. But without the beacon actually being there, you can't be absolutely sure you're spot on, but that's roughly where the beacon comes up. So that's filter 1, somewhat optimised. Filter 2, probably the best filter to use at the moment if you're looking for the beacon. And, as I showed, if you take the notch out, up comes that annoying carrier. Just luckily the beacon is far enough off that so you can actually notch out the carrier, the birdie. And on the right hand side, of course, you can see the spectrum scope, which is adjustable in level. There's not a lot of noise on the band at the moment, and you can also adjust the time. You'll notice there's a little bit of power line noise coming up. Slower, very fast. That's normally where I leave it. So that's a very quick rundown on using the notch filter when looking for a beacon on CW.